Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Acura Integra Type S versus Kia Stinger GT2. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which sporty sedan best fits your needs. Get ready for a detailed breakdown of these two exciting vehicles, highlighting their unique strengths and characteristics. When it comes to raw power, the Kia Stinger GT2 takes the lead with its 368 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. The Acura Integra Type S, however, delivers a spirited 320 horsepower from its turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, exclusively with a 6-speed manual transmission and front-wheel drive. Both offer thrilling acceleration, but the Stinger GT2 is quicker to 60 miles per hour. Inside, the Integra Type S offers a refined, driver-centric experience with premium materials and a 9.0-inch infotainment touchscreen. It also provides excellent cargo capacity thanks to its hatchback design. The Kia Stinger GT2 counters with a more spacious and luxurious cabin, often praised for its comfortable seating and overall premium feel. Both vehicles come equipped with modern technology, including advanced driver assistance features and smartphone integration. Ultimately, choosing between the Integra Type S and Stinger GT2 depends on your priorities. The Integra offers a more nimble, driver-focused experience with Honda's renowned precision and a manual transmission. The Stinger provides robust power, a more spacious cabin, and all-weather capability, making it a strong contender for daily driving. Both are similarly priced, with the Integra Type S starting around $54,095 and the Stinger GT2 around $54,065. Consider what matters most to you in a performance car. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.